Hello, and welcome to OmniX University. Today we will be assembling a number 4 mandrel. Begin by spraying the balls and links with Loctite primer and allow to dry for 2 to 5 minutes. You will begin the assembly with your end link. Apply a bead of Loctite glue 680 around the base of the end link, rotating the link so there is a strip of glue along the entire base. Next, take your first ball. Ensure that the side with the seat is facing up, and drop your end link into the ball. Rotate the link back and forth inside the ball to confirm that the glue covers all points of contact between the two parts. Place the link and ball into the arbor press and press down to secure the pieces together. After removing the link and ball from the arbor press, you can try to wiggle the parts to ensure that they were successfully secured. Next, install your rubber grommet on top of the end link. The rubber grommet helps maintain the position of the ball. Take your next link and place it into the arbor press. Apply wax for lubrication to the link with the ball attached to it to prevent Loctite from bonding the links together. Place the end link and ball combination on top of this link with the head of the end link inside the base of the new link. Press down to secure the parts together. Apply a strip of glue to the base of the most recent link, avoiding the gaps in the base as you go. You can use a wire or something sharp for ease in applying the glue. Install your next ball over the most recent link. Place it in the arbor press and press down. You can hold it there for a few seconds to allow the glue to bond. After removing the part from the arbor press, ensure that the ball is not spinning to confirm it has set. Install the next rubber grommet on top of the last link. Place the 2-ball and link combination in the arbor press. Place the shank link on top of the link and press down to secure with the arbor press. Next, place the shank over the shank link. Using a T-handle hex wrench, place a 632 bolt socket head cap screw into the shank and tighten. You have now successfully assembled a number 4 mandrel. Thank you for watching.